What's up, my friend? All right, here we go. First flight of the day. Eflite F-15 Eagle. See how it goes. Taking off. F-15 Eagle. There it goes. F-15 Eagle. It's making a weird noise. You hear that noise? Woo! Okay. F-15 coming in.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Woo! Roll. Flying good. Flying good. Low pass to a roll. Woo!
20 seconds.
Okay, 20 seconds. I put a bigger pack in it. I put a 2500, so I don't know, it should give me a little bit more flight time, but I don't want to risk it. I'm gonna come in for landing after this pass. I'm gonna have to land right to left because the wind's blowing to the left side. Landing. Go to high rates. Coming in. Nice. Good speed. I didn't like it. Too fast. Landing.
1 minute over.
Okay, 1 minute over. Coming in. Nice and easy. There we go. We got it. Woo! Beautiful. First flight of the day. F-15 Eagle. This one got about, I'm gonna say about 30 flights. It's a good bird. It was making a weird noise right now. I have to check that out. There it is, folks. F-15 Eagle. There's your first flight of the day. Let's go get some more flights in.